Boy, it's blurry. All right, guys, we are now on chapter 3, lesson 1. So this is lesson 3.1. We are going to start talking multiplication and division now. Not sure why the document camera is doing that. All right, so our first word is going to be factor. And factors are the numbers you multiply. So for instance, you've got 5 times 2. Those two are factors. What they equal is a different word. Another multiplication word we're going to have, is the word product. Okay, so the answer was the product. All right, we've got factor and we've got product. These are both multiplication words. And we have an example here. Again, these are called factors. And the answer is called the product. Okay, so we're also going to be talking about division because we're going to have multiplication and division in this lesson. Our first word is dividend. And a dividend is the first number in a division sentence. I'll start with my example. That very first number, that 10 that we've got there, is the dividend. Okay. The number being divided by the dividend is the divisor. So let me think of another color here. That's a big thing. The divisor is this number. Okay, so we've got the dividend is the first number. It's the big number. The divisor is the number that's doing the dividing. And then we're going to get an answer. And the answer is a fancy word. The answer is a quotient. So we're going to get 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 is called a quotient. Okay, I'll let you copy. Sure you have the title, Relate Multiplication and Division. I'm going to repeat this part. The example again, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. And in the case of the divisor, it was 2. For the quotient, you have 10 divided by 2 again equals 5. This one's the quotient. All right. These work together like to check work. And you can make a fact family with these numbers. A fact family is a set of 4 related times or multiplication and division facts. They use the same 3 numbers. I'm going to put an example over here with words. 4 games cost $3. Okay, so we've got 4 times 3 equals, hold on a second, 4 times 3 equals, and I wanted to show an array, but I'm kind of out of space. Here, I'll put it over here. 4 games cost $3 each. So we've got game 1, game 2, game 3, and game 4. And $3 each, you count it up, you get 12. It actually costs $12. Okay. The commutative property is also in the fact family. And then the inverse is to divide the large number, which is the dividend, by the divisor. I'm going to choose this first number here. And 3 is the quotient. So there are a total of 12 games. No, they cost $12. There are 4 games and they cost $3 each. I can also divide using the commutative property. And there we have a fact family. So all of these words are going to come up in our lesson, chapter 3, lesson 1, Factor and product are both multiplication words. Dividend, divisor, and quotient are division words. And when you use all four, when you use multiplication and division into a set of 4 related multiplication and division facts, you have a fact family. So this is our vocabulary for this lesson.